Finally, I decided to go and get a GoPro camera. So I looked at the GoPro Hero 5 and the Hero 6. I also looked at SJ Cam, that is the SJ 6000 and the 7000. Also, I looked at another brand called YI 4K action camera. I finally decided to go with Hero 5 black, and this is from Costco. It was on a bundle for $2.99 US. So there are a few reasons why I liked about this one. Let me just go ahead and open this one and tell you what's in it. So you have your camera, SD micro card, and this is your battery. It's a dual battery, and you can charge. They provide you with two batteries, which is a great deal. That's what I like about these bundles. Your charging cable, helmet harness, your cover, and these are two. They have a adhesive back, and you can remove and place it on. I think you can, whether it's car or window or any of those things. So let's open the box and see what's in there. Okay, pretty well packed. Just packing material, some of the literature, I think, how to use your GoPro in like a quick guide. So as I was talking about, these are the little things. This is a curve adhesive product that can be attached to a helmet, and this must be the straight one that just go to the bottom of your connector. So that's that. They provided some stickers, your instruction manual, safety, and the product information, and most of the people don't read this one. I will read it and do another video of all the features and all those things, but there are a lot of videos on product features and functions and all those things. Alright, so let's see. This is your, just take it out. Okay, your camera, GoPro camera. So that's that. I'll come back to that one in just a moment. Your head harness. Your dual charging battery, and it gives you a quick diagram of or a quick image of how to place your batteries. To the side, it's your camera. Alright, so this is the box. It has all the other little items that you need. Okay. Alright, so this is the, oh, if I can take it out, this is the cover, protective cover for the GoPro. Put it aside. This is the straight back part, and this is the one that is curved, like it goes on attached to a helmet. So that way you can sit your GoPro on top of that. Two batteries. Now that's what I like about this Costco bundle thing, because these are about $29 a piece. So that's going to add up when you're going to do them separately. This is your connector, so that goes like this, and this is your thumbnail. That's a screw that goes and fits in there. So that's that. And this is the micro SD card and the housing for when you want to download it into your computer. Of course, you have the app and the software that is for the proprietary GoPro. so you can the camera, you can download it directly from the camera without removing your micro SD card. And this is the one that goes on the back of your helmet or the head harness as well. So why I decided to get this camera, so I'm just going to remove all of them out of the way. So here's the camera itself. So let me get a little bit of a better background. Okay, so first of all, this is a 4K camera. Well, when I compare this one to Hero 6, of course that is expensive. However, I like the bundle price, so from Costco. Then they had the dual battery also. Well, the difference between the GoPro 6 and the 5 is pretty much the same size, except for it has better features like your better ISO, control, dynamic range, all those things, and more frames per second. I think 60 frames per second when it comes to 4K. So this one you are either at 24 or 30 frames per second when it comes to 4K. So that's what the difference is, of course, the price. So this is out of the box. This is water resistant, so you can use it this up to 10 meters. You don't need a housing. And if you want, you can buy another housing and have that one, and a little bit heavier. One of the main thing is this this camera. It has 3 microphones, one here, one there, and one here. Okay, and this one, compared to other cameras, this one has a wind noise cancellation feature, which I really loved about it. When I looked at all the other cameras, when they were doing the demos, when I looked at it, and when you're talking to them, it feels like that you're in a tin can. Whereas GoPro had a very good sound quality because of the wind cancelling the feature. This also has voice commands. For example, most of the people are used to Siri or to Android devices, even Alexa from Amazon and the Google Home. You can say, hey Siri, or hey Google, do this, do that. Same way you can say, GoPro, take pictures, GoPro, start the camera, GoPro, stop the camera, GoPro, do a burst of images. So this has certain voice recognition quality, so that I really like that feature. This one also auto upload to your mobile device or to your computer. Okay, then there's a quick edit app. Also, this one takes raw pictures. Also, GPS tag. It's not to you cannot go and say, okay, the GPS, you can go back to the place like what you have on a navigation system. No, it's a little bit different. This one has the same good ISO option. However, this GoPro Hero 6 has better ISO option, but I'm a novice. I'm just going to keep this in auto, and most of the people will be using this in auto mode, so I'm not going to worry about this. Now, when this is recording, this light will illuminate or start blinking. There are several places. There's another light somewhere around here. There's a bottom one. Also a blinks. That is also when it is charging, it all this blinks. So to let you know it is recording, and you also can see on your LCD display. Very easy to clean. If there is any smudge things, you just clean your lens, and of course at your back also your LCD. And another one I like about it, because there's a 2-inch LCD panel here. It's for you to see what's going on. So I like the fact that's there as well. So you can you can take the pictures from here. You can press this one, and this is your control, your mode, and you can turn it off also from here. Now here, so this is waterproof. This is fantastic. So if you want, this is your, okay, I'm opening for the first time. So this is your charging point, and also if you want to get this to so you have a HDMI cable, but you have to have a micro HDMI cable, and you can take the images from here and put it into a TV, you can watch it on a TV. Love it, because this is it's very tight, and that's the way it's supposed to be for your waterproofing. And this is where the battery goes. Okay, so the battery goes over here, and your micro SD card goes into this little slot, and it is very well built. Again, this is my very first GoPro. I have never used a GoPro, but I've seen other ones with my friends, like the Hero 3 and so forth. Looks a little bit different. This feels good compared to other one, in the metal one, the Hero 3. I really like it. I'm hoping I'm going to really like it. And for my application, I want to use this inside cars and outside, because I'm doing some restoration of a few classic cars. So that's the reason I got this one. And I will get a suction cup for this one, and I will also get a handle with the extension bar. And I believe everybody should, if you are ever going to use this in the water, get the water. There is a little orange color thing that goes on the back of this. So if you accidentally drop in the water, it'll start bobbing and floating, so that way you can retrieve your camera. I heard on a couple of the places where they did not have that orange color floating device attached to this, to the GoPro, then people dropped and they could not find the camera. Also, there is I will be getting that floating handle. The GoPro has it, and everybody also off brands also have those things, so I'm going to pick up one of those. I will get a chest harness as well. The reason for that one, I have a 6-year-old son who's playing tennis, and I want to have this one attached, so that way we can correct his shots, so he can see what he's doing, the mistakes that he's making, or how to improve. What else? I want to get a little lens protector here, and also a screen protector. So they're not expensive. You can get it from Amazon. Those little things. I am looking forward to using this one. I hope this will be a great little addition. I love the fact that this also can do time lapse, and I'm going to get one of those little devices that rotates with the time lapse. I forgot the name of that one, but there are many devices that you can use for time lapse. I'm looking forward to using this one, and hopefully I'll be able to do another review of all the features and things, but there are a million videos on those things. If you are considering getting a GoPro, go ahead and get this one. If you're a novice, this is a good starting point. But of course, if you have a good amount of disposable income, go with a Hero 6. You will not be disappointed. But I looked at the Session one, the smaller one, but I believe this is a better deal for the money, and I'm looking forward to using this one. Thank you for watching.